Hi everyone, this is Jayashree. Um, we discuss upon in this series, we discuss upon society and global culture in professional ethics subject. Right. The first topic is culture and social identity. So we discuss upon culture. What is culture? So this is our culture in ethics subjects. We discuss upon culture. It is a personal beliefs and traditions what we followed in organizations. We call it as a culture. Okay. So what is the culture? Inside a classroom, what is the culture? So inside an office, what is the culture? Inside the family, what's the culture and traditions to be followed? The set of rules, beliefs to be followed, we call it as a culture, right? So what are the priorities based on the products, practices, and perspectives? It differs. Based on the perspectives, it differs. Artifacts, the actions, and meanings. How we are doing. So, by traditional ways, we follow certain things day by day, so that actions are continuing. So, that is also a culture. Mm. A set of basic ideas, practices, and experience that a group of people share. So, it is an idea. Culture is an idea meant to be followed. It is the practices and experiences. So experiences that a group of people share and they use, we call it as a culture, right? So if we ask the students about what is the culture, the shared beliefs, norms, and attitudes that are guide a group of people's behavior and help explain their world. For each person's world is different. One person thought the world in one way, the other person thought the world in another way. For myself, how I am brought up from a young age, my family and all, my way of living will be a different one. They, the same case, in the next generation, younger minds and younger students, their perspective is somewhat different. How they brought up, how they come out from their own English, based on their hometown, nature, based on their family background and all, the behavior will change. Okay? So the shared beliefs, norms, and attitudes that group guide a group of people behavior and help explain their world. Okay. And second one is a complex frame of references that consists of parallel traditions, beliefs, values, norms, symbols, and meanings that are shared to varying degrees of interacting members of the community. How we are sharing the information and beliefs to the society, to the next community. That is also culture. So we tell like this is the culture, this is the tradition to be followed. These are the beliefs and values which must be followed by the next generation. So we call that as culture. Okay, so mandatorily you have to follow this culture by interacting members of the community, by disseminating the information, by sharing the information to the next community. So look into this picture, how we are looking to this iceberg. What we are seeing outside the water is somewhat small, whereas the foundation inside the water is a huge iceberg. The same thing. You want to develop something, you have to work hard in the behind. So without the people who doesn't know the hard work behind anything, so, so for action, for making an action, or to bring a tradition, or to make a change for certain activity, behind that you have to follow the huge work. You have to do some huge work. So this picture shows the huge work to be followed for making a change in the culture, for producing a new norm. Okay. And what is a culture? Culture is an integrated system of learned behavior of patterns that are characteristics of the members of any given society. When culture refers to the total way of life of particular groups of people, it includes culture refers to the total way of life of particular group of people. It includes everything that a group of people thinks, says, does, how the people think, how what are they are saying and does and makes the systems that attitudes to parents. Culture is learned and transferred from generation to generation. So from generation to generation is to be transferred. Is to be transferred. So that is culture. Okay. So if you are going to work in an atmosphere and no atmosphere means, so what are the things you have to follow? What is the company's tradition? What is the company's traditions? That means we have to think on that and we have to follow those rules and regulations to survive in that company. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Next class, we'll discuss upon social identity. What is identity and how to develop a positive identity